Alright, a beautiful morning everyone. Once again, this is Miss Jen Arizumba here at Edition Hills, Mandaluyong City, and this is our 65 years old instructor. Ayan, at napaka-energetic pa niya guys. At ang aming slots ay every Tuesday and Friday, senior slots here at Black 39 covered court. Ayan ang aming mga senior members. And sige mga mommy seniors, ilabas nyo ang inyong mga pawis. Enjoy kayo guys. Tanggal stress, tanggal sadness, tanggal lahat ng mga negative things sa ating katawan. Ayan, thank you so much.